Good day, folks, and welcome to another chat that I'll be having with Ashley. Ashley, hi, welcome to joining us again, and looking forward to hearing what you've got to say.
Hi, Malcolm. Yeah, great.
So, what I'd like, if you could, is just quickly go through the trades that we're in at the moment, and just give a quick brief outline of how we're doing and what you see happening in the markets.
Sure. Okay. So as you know, we are in two trades at the moment, both short positions. We are trading Sand, which is an altcoin, and then we're in a smaller a Bitcoin USDT trade. Okay, so both of these trades are a short, and I'm holding these positions for as a swing trade method strategy. Okay, I have been in Sand since the beginning of last month already, and I guess it has been moving up and down, but like I said before, I'm not going to go into it. There are reasons why I haven't closed the trade, which I'm not going to get into now. Other traders, professional traders, will know exactly why and what I'm talking about. But as I said, I'm not going to go into that right now. But we are holding our positions. They are part of a much bigger trading plan. Like I said, we are expecting to see the price of Bitcoin still drop significantly. And if we take a look at this chart over here, this actually at the top here should be red, and I'll change that quickly. These are areas of resistance on the charts, and I will just change that one too. So what we're looking at here is we are in this weekly zone where we've been trading for quite a while now, and then above that, we at the beginning of the week we went to go and test the 28,400. We saw a massive rejection there. There is a possibility that we could go and retest that area again. When we have a look, and I'll just quickly put on the let me just load the Gaussian channel here for you guys, just so you can see. On the daily, we are trading, we are testing the top of the Gaussian channel. Now, that is lining up with this bar here. You can see this area of resistance at 28,400. In order for us to reach higher levels here, Malcolm, it's imperative that the bulls get past 28,400. If we don't get past that, there's no way. There's absolutely no way. That is a huge hurdle that needs to be achieved by the buyers in order for us to see higher prices. Until that happens, we ain't going anywhere. It's going down. So I'm holding my positions, and as I said, you can see here we have shown a little bit of strength. But when we have a look at the volume candles over this period of time, we can see that we are actually, you can see we're moving down. Okay, volume is getting less, volatility is getting less, and this, although we see this little pump here, it's a small little bit of a push within a much bigger downtrend. Okay, we can clearly see that.
And yes, that's just a quick one. When that breaks above that 28.4, I think it was, it's got to break above and stay above. It's not just a spike.
Yes, it's got to break. It's got to hold that position, and then the next challenge is up at the 29,200. There's an even bigger area of resistance up at the 29,200. And then, as I said to you, once they achieve that, then there's the really big one that goes back almost, I don't know, 500 days. And as I said, in order for us to see that happen and the price now going to what we're going to call the macro bullish phase, which is going to, it's basically going to signify the next bull run, is we're going to have to see a lot of volume come into the market for that to happen. And right now, we're not seeing it. We're not seeing it. Okay. Most of the pumps that we see now, as far as I'm concerned, it's all being manipulated through market hype and news events, not actual market conditions, normal market conditions. That's just my view. I'm sure there are a lot of other traders out there that will argue with me with that, but that's my view. So I am expecting to see us recome and test this area down here at 25, which is at the bottom of this zone. You can see we're using the fixed range volume profile tool here, and the value area gap is at the top here where we are testing. And I just want to get rid of that causing channel for a sec. You can see we are a little bit above, but for the last couple of days now, we've been testing this area. We are in here. And as far as I'm concerned, these are all, as I said before, these are all liquidity grabs here. Every single one of them that we see here below this range that we're trading, as far as I'm concerned, they're all liquidity grabs. Like I said, I won't go into a long story there. You guys know what I'm talking about. This is what they do, right? So we are at the top, and you know what? We're probably going to see a rejection here and then back down. You can see the POC is down at 25,800, 25,900 in that area here, and that's very close to the bottom of the range in any case. If we just quickly just put on a swing low to the swing high here on the Fibonacci, you can see the golden ratio is also right down here at the bottom. So there's confluence here, another level of confluence. You can see the golden pockets at the bottom of the range, right? So, you know, all the signs are pointing down right now. There is, as I said, a chance that we can go up, but it's highly unlikely. So yeah, as far as that technical analysis is concerned, that's pretty much where I am. I am holding my position, and I'm quite certain that we will be looking at gains increasing quite significantly when the price of Bitcoin goes down.
Yeah, it comes down to that old adage of patience, and that we have, and we'll stick with it.
Exactly,
yeah.
Patience.
And then the sand trade pretty much following the Bitcoin move. So if Bitcoin comes down, that's likely to move as well.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm saying. I'm in the red at the moment with, I'll just show you the guys, the quick trade here, where we are. We are in just, well, this fluctuates between $3,500 and $4,500 in the green with sand, and then we a little bit down with Bitcoin. I'm not too worried about that. We still overall, we're above our total gains for the 3 months that we've been trading. So we're still in a very good position, very strong position. And as I said, I'm not planning on closing any of these positions now. I'm going to hold them. I'm swing trading. I'm not scalping. So we will hold these positions because, as I said, there's a much bigger trading plan in progress over here. If the price does what we are hoping it's going to do, we're probably going to be closing this position in, I don't know, 30,000 plus dollars in profit. So it's worth holding the trade and to see what will happen. As I said, I'm very convinced that the price, we are going to see lower prices before we enter the next official bull run with Bitcoin.
Yeah, Ashley, thanks for that insights on what you showed us there on the Bitcoin and sand trade. We're doing really great. We're well up on our trade, so that's excellent. And then, yeah, I just want to say great call on the wild trade. Yeah, hit all 6 targets on that market pause, which is excellent. Nice.
Yes, World Coin. Yep.
Yeah,
so we were fortunate in that one. It was only a 5x leverage, but still, you know, if you'd held on to that trade and closed at target 6, you would have doubled your money pretty much. So yeah, hopefully we'll see a few more of those during the month of October. At the moment, I'm busy looking at Solana. Solana is looking pretty good, but I want to see it just go up a little bit more before I drop a tag for the guys. But if we take a look at Solana here, you can see I'm getting ready for you know, an entry point on Solana, and we might trade this on the way down with sand and Bitcoin. But like I said, I'll just wait and see. I'm not going to be too eager because I'm quite certain we're going to see a liquidity grab up here at about $25.7. At the moment, we're sitting at 23. So I'm looking for the price to go up a couple of dollars, and then I'll drop the tag for the entry for Solana, and hopefully we'll see some great profits on the way down. We're looking at a target over there. I'm probably not going to have 6 targets. We'll only have 4, but we're probably looking at between 25 and 30%. On a 10x leverage, that's like pretty decent. You know, that's like
that's huge. Yeah.
Yeah, it's huge profits. So, but as I said, hopefully I'll drop those tags in the next couple of days. I'm just waiting to get some kind of a reaction out of the market where the price is at the moment, and then I'll make some decisions.
Yeah. Well, that's excellent. Actually, yeah, thanks for all that info, and the trades that we're in are looking great. The calls are looking good. And for those of you who want to get into market calls, or who maybe not sure how to, if they're not sure how to trade, we also offer the crypto trading course that you can learn there. And once you've got some knowledge, you can take advantage of the market calls and use that. And for those who are trading on a regular basis, I strongly urge you to get into market calls, because you get some good opportunities there and have a community you can work with in your trading. So it's not such a lonely space. So yeah, thanks again. Thanks a lot for all that info. And yeah, we'll be watching the markets closely and seeing how things are going.
Yeah, great. Thanks. And I will keep you guys updated as we go along the way. So yeah, perfect. Just got to be a bit patient right now, but I'm pretty sure it will all come together. I think October is going to be a pretty decent month anyway. A lot of people are saying green October. They say Uptober. I don't know about that. I think we're probably going to see the first red October that we've seen for a long time. But let's wait and see what happens.
Yeah.
Excellent. Great stuff.
Okay. Thanks, Ocean.
Cheers. You're welcome. Take care. Bye-bye.